Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Dear children, today we shall have some fun with a small story. Are you ready? Yes. You must listen carefully to the story. If you listen carefully, you will enjoy the today's class activity. Let us see who is smart enough to remember the story. Here is the story. Mr. Rana had a cow. It was a big white cow. One day, the cow went for a walk in the rain. She got wet and slipped in the mud. She fell down with a big thud. She lay on the ground. Oh dear, she could not get up. Mr. Rana was in his house having a cup of tea. A mouse came in and said, "Help! The cow has fallen down and she can't get up." Mr. Rana took his tractor and some rope. He tied the rope to the cow and pulled her onto her feet with his tractor. She was very muddy. Now, Mr. Rana will give her a bath. Here the story ends. Now, let's get into the activity. A. Tick the correct answers. So, we have to tick the correct answers. First one is Mr. Rana had a option A. Cow. Option B. Mouse. Option A. Cow. Is it correct? Yes. Option B. Mouse. It's a wrong one. So, let us put the tick mark. Option A. Cow. Next. One day, the cow went for a option A. Swim. Option B. Walk. Option A. Swim. Is it correct? No. Option B. Walk. Is it correct? Yes, it is a correct answer. So, let us put the tick mark here. Option B. Walk. Next, third question is, the cow got wet and dashed in the mud. Option A. Slipped. Is it correct? Yes, it is a correct answer. So let us put the tick mark here. Option A. Slipped. Option B. It's a wrong one. Next, fourth question is, Mr. Rana was in dash having a cup of tea. Option A. His garden. Is it correct? No. Option B. His house. Is it correct? Yes, it is a correct answer. So, let us put the tick mark here. Option B. His house. Good children, we got them all in a correct order. Now, take your worksheet in page number 5 and tick the correct answer. Let's move on to next activity. Here are 2 questions. Let's find out the correct answers. B. Answer these questions. First one. Which 2 things did Mr. Rana take with him to save his cow? Answer is Mr. Rana took his tractor and some rope to save his cow. Second question is, what did Mr. Rana do after he had brought the cow home? Answer is, after he had brought the cow home, Mr. Rana gave bath to her. Good children, we got the correct answers. Now take your worksheet in page number 5 and write the correct answers under the question. Here is the last activity for today. C. Write T for true or F for false. First one, Mr. Rana's cow was big and white. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Shall we mark here T? Yes, true. Next, one day she went to an ice cream parlor. Is it true or false? Yes, false. Let us mark here false. Okay, next one. Third one is, the cow fell down with a big thud. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Shall we mark here T? Yes, true. Now take your worksheet in page number 5 and write T for true and F for false. Now you are smart students. For today, this is enough. Let us meet in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.